Manchester teacher charged with rape of 11-year-old schoolgirl. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is the Links 007 TV News Report. A 29-year-old school teacher, Miguel Griffiths, otherwise called Spoon, of Knockpatrick District, Manchester, has been charged with raping an 11-year-old schoolgirl. Detectives assigned to the Center of Sexual Investigation and Child Abuse (CISOCA) arrested and charged Griffiths with rape, grievous sexual assault, and obscene publication. The charges follow the reported incident between December 2021 and 2022. Reports are that Griffith sent photographs and videos of his genitals to the 11-year-old schoolgirl. He later met the child in Newport District, Manchester, where the sexual assault and rape took place. The police launched a probe into the incident, which led to the arrest of Griffith. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.